Hello. Patience. Ask me math equation. Ask me math equation. So, I have no scrap paper or anything, so I'm just doing this based off my mind. I do not have a cheat sheet or anything. What is a retouch? Retouch. But, yeah. Should I just do a playable? I'm not gonna do a playable because it doesn't save my progress. Why is there turbo stars? I'm exiting the game. I'm not. Okay. So while we do that, we're gonna play Draw Climber. And I'm on level 211, so let's play. Oh my god, that is way too stubby. I'm just gonna draw. I'm gonna get all the coins. I got like no coins. Oh my god. Oh, I got to the end and it bounced me back. So I got some coins. You guys are gonna ask me some math equations while I play this game. Oh my god, that was so wrong. But it's alright. Watch me burn. But it's alright. Okay, so you guys, this Q&A is right here. If you guys, that's 1,000. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. I'm not dumb. 1 times 1,000 is obviously 1,000. That's like a third grade. That's like a third grade question. Do you think I'm gonna fail on that? I'm not in third grade. 10 times 10,000. 10 times 10,000 is literally a million. Like, come on, guys. Can you do some harder questions? Okay, that was just random gibberish. And that has a G in it, so I can't solve it. What is the value of G? Because I assume that that's a variable. Oh, God. Yeah, this is way better. No, this hope. Ooh, get steepy. Waddled. We just get some. Ooh. Yes, I won. Ash, you just typed gibberish. That does not count. Ash. You just typed absolute gibberish. That does not count, man. That does not count. I can do many different accents and voices, so So, ooh, you guys can watch me play this game while I rage. I didn't pick it. Good. I only got 5 coins, but that's okay. I'm on level 216, and now I will say A. Yeah, they can beat me. I'm gonna exit the game for a bit. 1,974 times 9,364. I'm gonna need some scrap paper for that because. So, doing this. I can. My phone is heating up. You can see I have my beautiful scrap paper here. Also, I'm going to be using a Sharpie. So, 1974 times 9,364. So, I'm going to do this equation real quick. Also, by the way, I'm solving your problem, Ash. So the answer to your problem is 18,482,236. Thank you for the problem, Ash, and I solved it. Just my work here. So that is 18,482,236. I'm not joking when I did all the math. I was the top student in my class. I was the top student in my class. That doesn't mean I wasn't. That was just mean that was a long time ago. So, when's the next question that you're gonna ask me? I'm gonna put this in the middle until someone asks me. a new math problem. My phone is heating up a little bit. Oh, I'm still here. Oh. Can you guys stop giving me random gibberish? Give me actual math problems that you know how to solve. So, Jade, since you're leaving, they probably already left. But since they left, I'm not doing their problem. I didn't actually see the chat, so I'm sorry, guys. I'm still here. Thank you for calling me impressive. I was the top student in my class when I was in school. Oh. Name a word or phrase that starts with pot. Pottery. Pottery. It starts with pot because it's pottery. Guys, look. It's pottery. Okay, my camera's pretty bad quality, but you can see that is pottery. Pot. 9 plus 10 is 19. Obviously. I mean, who doesn't know that? It's obviously not. I'm gonna get out my next size of Sharpie. I was previously using an ultrafine Sharpie. Now I'm using a fine point Sharpie. The original Sharpie. That if you buy a Sharpie, that's the only Sharpie you're gonna see. This one's dried out. I'm gonna get another one. I have multiple of the fine point Sharpies. I just don't know where some of them are. Guess I'll stick to the ultra fine point. Why did everybody leave? 9 plus 10 is obviously 19. Why are you giving me such simple math problems? Like, you guys know that every existing human being can solve these. But you're just giving them to me anyway. Plus 10 is 19. I'm waiting for the next math problemo. Also, I'm pretty much a doodler, so I'm just doodling. actually gonna ask me math problems. Is there actual math problems that you guys can ask me? Yow, yo, 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 yow. 9 plus 10 is 19. Plus 9 and 10. You have 10 fingers. And then you put 9. So then count up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So each one is plus 1. Plus 1, 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 plus 1. Which means that is plus 9. Plus 9, which means 10 plus 9 equals 19. And 9 plus 10 equals 19. So, next math equation. Give me a hard one, guys. Give me a hard one. Give me a hard one. As long as you're not some type of first grader and you say like 2 times 1 million bajillion trillion. As long as you're not a first grader in the chat and say something like that. Just give me a hard one. I don't really trust first graders when giving me hard equations because they always say something like, what's 1 bajillion trillion medallion above the billion and plus 999994444666655 billion bajillion million. Like they always ask me something like that. Is someone actually gonna ask me a math problem? Or a math equation? Because I've been waiting for like 10 minutes. Yeah, Ash. I'm pretty sure a kindergartner can solve that. Now, next equation. Someone, please ask me an equation. You can ask as many equations as you'd like. So if you ask me an equation, you can always ask another one. I don't care. Cursive numbers. I would write cursive numbers like spaced. Okay, Ash, you can go. Just know that you're like the only person in my live stream, so I'd be losing a viewer. But that's okay, because I will stay. Okay, steal a brain rot. Get out of my chat. Nobody wants to trade your rainbow freaking dragon. Stop spamming in my chat that you want to trade something on Steal a Brain Rot. Steal a Brain Rot is literally my least favorite game. Why are you going in random streams and saying, oh my god, I want to trade my Rainbow Dragon Cannelloni, and it's Brain Rot, and Steal a Brain Rot? Like, I don't even care if someone's, like, dead in this live stream and genuinely has suicidal thoughts. So, I'll just spam this in their chat because, I just want to trade and steal a brain rot and make people annoyed. That's exactly their thought, but 1 times 1 is 1. Obviously, I am not a freaking second grader. I can obviously solve that. Kind of got a little bit angry, so their plan worked. Super 1. Like, I've seen this person on live streams like a million times. Like, they always say trading Rainbow Modi 16 billion and for 115 million Diamond Garama 75 million user Kahan Wu 11. Like, they didn't even check what the live stream was about. Like, one time I saw this person on a live stream where someone was suicidal. They would be respectful, right? No. They said, oh my god, can you please trade for my dragon Cannelloni? It is so lonely, and I just want to trade for it because I am very disrespectful and I hate everybody. Like, 427 times 124. My pen is running out of ink, but I will solve this one very quickly. So the answer to your question is 52,948. I almost stuttered on that answer because I just stutter sometimes because I'm a very fast talker because I talk so fast so that I don't even realize what words I'm saying. So I mispronounce words very quickly and I don't even realize, but then I realize and then I have to go fix it back because I talk so freakity frickin' fast. 52,148 to the power of 3. I am not doing all that. But I know that if I multiplied this would be over 1 trillion. So I know that it would be over 1 million. 50K times 50K is 50. No, it's 500 million times 50K, which is 500 billion times 50, which is equal to 5 trillion. So I know that it is over 5 trillion. Wait, I might actually be getting this. It is over 5 trillion. Gar-Supreme, trade my cannelloni, dragononi. No, get out of my chat. This isn't a Steal a Brain Rot server. This is a math live stream. This is not a place to trade your Garama Madung Dung or Tung Tung Sir or like cannelloni, dragononi. Like get out of my chat. Get out of my chat. Yeah, I know you're mimicking him. I'm mimicking myself when I was crashing out over that comment. I miss my cocoa butter cake. Also, I have an Etch-a-Sketch. I'm gonna play with my Etch-a-Sketch a little bit. Gar-Supreme, trade my skibbity strand of hair for your can't say or else I will get banned from live stream. And I give you God Tung Tung Sahur. What if they asked for my SSN? You know what an SSN is. All you can do is just steal brain rots from people. And whenever you steal brain rots, they always say, you're, can't say because I'm family friendly, and you will never be successful in life, and you are ugly, and you don't know how to play the game. Like, what do you mean I don't know how to play the game? It's called steal a brain rot, not let people steal their brain rots internally and keep them calm. It's not the game. So, my Etch-a-Sketch has the word hi on it. Should I become like a math live stream? What? He started a war over the ballerina cappuccina? Like, Italian brain rot has grown so big that people are literally shipping them. Like, Tung Tung Sahur x ballerina cappuccina. Cappuccino Assassino X Ballerina Cappuccino. Like, why are we even shipping them? 2x to the power 2 equals 2x to the power 2 equals 81, and the value is 45. Screaming, it was before the age verification. This dude was definitely over 40, screaming at little kids over his brain rots. That's just crazy, man. You got it. World. Should I try I'm gonna try my forbidden vintage broken crayons. So this is goldenrod and green. I'm gonna try them on paper. So this is not gonna be good quality. I already know it because he screamed the N-word and got banned. Oh, I broke my goldenrod that was already broken. I broke it even more. No, it was already broken at that. Well, it wasn't broken. Well, it was so close to being broken that all I had to do was put like a tiny bit of force on it and then it would break. This is broken, so I'm just gonna be very careful because I don't want to break this. This crayon has already been through a lot, this goldenrod crayon, so I think it should stay broken. So this is goldenrod. Goldenrod. Oh my god. I broke my vintage Crayola crayon that was already broken. It actually had a pencil stab in it. And the pencil stab made it so loose that all I needed to do was literally just put a tiny bit of force on it and it broke. I'm testing on some of my broken vintage crayons. Because, yes. Look, it's green, guys. It's green. It's green and goldenrod. Tell me which one you like better. These are both the old versions, so they might not be the same shades. But they're broken anyways. Don't call me. Don't call me. And this is actually the perfect size because I can merge these together and make it a normal crayon. But the goldenrod is already broken in two, so, well, it is broken in two, but now it's broken in 3 pieces. Yay. That's even better. And the screen stuck. And I have this orange jumbo one. But this one isn't broken. It's just jumbo. But also anyways. What does this say? Well, how are things there? How are you feeling there? What am I doing? Okay. Okay, I think you're mentally going crazy, bro. I legit think you're going crazy, man. I legit think you're going crazy. Bulls, grapes, bulls, grapes, bulls, grapes, bulls, grapes, boots, so wait, how are things there? How are you feeling there? What am I doing? Skippity. Well, how are things there? How are you feeling there? What am I doing? Skippity. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm gonna end the live now. 10 9 7